Welcome everyone. This is our video demonstration for our app. We will get into the public address that we give you, and here we have to introduce our email account. Should be from northwest.ca or actually banff.ca. It will send you a code to your email. With that email, this is basically for security, because we have the data, sensible data exposed. You will receive a code. With that code, you will have 24 hours to interact with our app. Here in the main page, you have a welcome message with a simulated number of vehicles, parking availability, and our actually accuracy. In About, you have a brief explanation about our project. What is that about? We are using machine learning model to estimate our parking demand. We have two models, resident model and visitor models, and this is actually designed for our stakeholders to evaluate parking pressure. Here we have a brief static dashboards where you can see some trends and some features related to the parking lots. Here the parking lot occupancy map is it's a brief small map just to show up that we're about we can actually create a dashboard where we can show up the parking occupancy by each parking lot. Then we have the Power BI dashboards. The first dashboard is related with the original dataset. We are here working with all the parking lots independently. It's not an average. We have the transactions here. We have the payment type, and you can actually interact with the dashboard. You can select the data you are looking for, and you can see how it changed. Now we have the parking occupancy dashboard. In this parking occupancy dashboard, you can see that actually the percentage of visitors and the percentage of residents that we are exposing here. You can select the month that you are looking for, and you can see actually how it will change. For example, in July, you see the number of visitors is actually higher. You have the max number of visitors of vehicles, actually 933 vehicles. The maximum number of visitors but for that month is 892, and this is the maximum number of residents. If you want to see, for example, for just one day, you can filter by Sunday. You can see how it's the behavior of the Sundays for that month, in contrast with the behavior of the Sundays for other month. The same approach we have here with the traffic dashboard. Here the difference is you can see the average traffic for southbound, northbound, and the inbound or outbound is the average of the direction of the traffic of the vehicles. Here is the predictions section. Here you can see you have to select the model. You have two models: the prediction, the visitors and the residents. In each one, you will have different features. Those features should be automatically gathered from the data. The data should come directly through an API, maybe through the sensor with the sensors and with the parking lot systems. And this entrance, the rolling average, all these features should be automatically completed. At this point, you can actually select the date that you are requiring. For example, you can predict for January 1st on 2025 or 2024, 2026. It will give you a prediction. I will select just 1 month in order you to see the first of 2025. It automatically update the day and the month. You have to by hand just to update these features. We add here some small descriptions for what is this feature about. You will click on predict, and it will give you the prediction for residents. The same way, you can use the model of visitors. You have to change the parameters. You have to select the data you're looking for, and it will give you the prediction for the number of visitors that you have at that time. If you want to change the hour, for example, at 20 p.m., 20 hours, you will see 480 vehicles at that day with all these features. Here you have the explainable AI. The explainable AI show the how and which one is the importance of the features for each model, the visitor model and the resident model. You have the pipeline that we're using to in order to have that predictions. In this section, we are trying to show off that we will be available if we have data set related with each one of the parking lots to give you an overview of each one of the parking lots, something similar to this with the smart AI insights inside of each one of the parking lot. In this section, we have the data source integrations where we get the data, the parking lot data, the entrance, the weather data, the holidays, and the integration features are the features that we are using for. We are the AI Power Insights and our team. Here you can see our chat. In this chat, you can ask some questions to our model. Let's change the month here, for example, for September. And let's say this September, we're trying September 2024, and we send the request. Here, we're sending that request to the server. It will run in the query inside of the API, through the API to the back end. It will give the output to our model, and the large language model will give you the output here. Here we can see the answer from our chatbot. There were 6,457 visitors on September 15, 2024. Thanks so much for your attention.